Okay, so I'm supposed to start this off like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. But as I say it, it just keeps coming out super fake. So I'm not gonna do that. I did this bronze makeup look today and I needed to go outside, right? So we're here with this lockdown situation because of COVID-19, and I've been following directions and I've been inside, and I needed air, so I decided to come outside to do my intro and just get some air. Lord Jesus. And also I really just love natural lighting. It is my favorite. It just does what it has to do. It does the right thing. Okay, so anyway, if you want to see how I did this makeup look, right, super simple, super bronzy, just natural, but you know, with a little bit of glam, keep watching. And you really don't have nothing else to do, don't go outside, people. That's it. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply my eye cream. Okay, so we're all moisturized and hydrated in the eyes. These are all freaking Anastasia palettes, right? And this is not sponsored. I bought this with my hard-earned money. I just really like their palettes. I feel like I'm just gonna go in with Sienna on the lid. I got the sultry palette. Go in with Teak. I don't know, let me see how Teak is gonna look. This is how Teak looks. I'm gonna use the concealer that I use to clean up my brows, which is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And like I said, I'm going in with Sienna. Focusing it closer to my lash line, and then just bringing it, I'm gonna bring it up like literally just right there. And that's it. That's how we do. Take one of these fluffy brushes, kind of like use that to clean it up, if that makes sense. I'm kind of brushing it in my crease, but there's nothing on this brush. So I'm gonna try this without adding anything, like without using a brush. Let me see. So I'm using from the Sultry palette, Teak. I'm taking my finger and we're gonna see what happens. Yeah, I'm just pressing it. So I really like that. Now I'm going in with some mascara. This is the NARS mascara Climax. Okay, so as they're done, I put on my lashes. They're still drying. Well, they're pretty dry, but now I'm gonna go to the star of the show, which is complexion. So I moisturized my face with, okay, am I pronouncing this right? Aavrani Softening Hydro Whip. This is a new moisturizer that I just started using. So I already put that on my face. I feel like we're good, but because I've been already doing makeup a little bit, I'm gonna just kind of like refresh my skin And I'm going in with the Mario Badescu. This one is the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea, just to kind of get us back together. Okay, so the primer that I'm using is the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer. I love this primer. It has a little bit of a highlight to it, and that's gonna go along with our whole bronze idea. So this is the primer that I'm using today. So for foundation, I am using the Makeup Forever Reboot foundation. Now, this has been one of my favorite foundations lately for when I just want to look done but not super done, and it just feels so natural on my skin. This also has skincare in it, so that's just like amazing. It's gonna brighten, smooth, firm, hydrate, and even out your skin tone, and that's, you know, while you're wearing this makeup. The color that I'm using is Y445. I like to apply it directly on my face. Look at that. I didn't even use a lot. I'm gonna go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. Too Faced Born This Way concealer. We're setting this with Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in Pound Cake. Putting it in there, then kind of dab in some of it. And with my foundation brush, I'm using the Makeup Forever Pro Finish. Produinatal Moisture Mist to kind of bring back in some hydration. Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker Bronzer in Bajan. The Makeup Forever Ultra HD Soft Light Luminizer, liquid highlighter, sorry. So I'm gonna take some of this here. You can see. Sorry guys, my lighting is not cooperating with me now. So I was looking for a liquid blush and realized I didn't have one, but we're gonna try something out. I have this Sephora cream lip stain. It's like an orange color. I'm gonna do an experiment right now. We're about to see. going in with the Patrick TA Major Glow Highlighter Mist, and this one is in the color Look at Her White Pearl. Or White Pearl. I don't know. Can't keep up with these things. So this, you're gonna kind of like keep it away. It's very concentrated, so I'm not gonna like be right here. Trying to figure out what lips I want to do. Sorry. I'm gonna go in with this Sephora lip stain in the color 76. And on top of this, just in the middle, I'm gonna use the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Praline. Okay, so this is the finished look. Not looking homeless. Okay, I can't really fix this here. All right, cool. But anyway, wow, lighting, cool. Okay, anyway, guys, just thank you so much for watching. Keep safe. Take your immune vitamins and drinks and everything. And yeah, I kind of wanted to touch on the subject of what's happening right now, but maybe for another video. Personally, I feel like my creativity has been kind of blocked. I haven't been that motivated, but today I was. So I'm just like embracing all the moments and just trying to stay positive, and just, you know, the only person we can really trust is God. I'm not to be super religious, but yeah, man, just stay positive if you can, and stay safe, you know, if you are venturing out, if you're not staying home. What was that? Okay, a fly. Okay, I'm here trying to have a speech and stuff. Okay, but yeah, if you are one of the essential workers, like, hats off to you. If you're able to work from home, if you're able to still get paid, all of those are blessings. There are so many people that don't have a job anymore due to this. There are so many people that are sick, and their loved ones and family members can't even see them, and it's just mind-boggling to me. So just, you know, stay positive no matter what situation you're in, and in the end, everybody is gonna come out stronger from this and learn something, you know. So that's it. I'm not trying to make this, you know, hella dramatic, but yeah, man, guys, thanks for watching.